students, welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. This is the 20th lecture on marketing management. I am Rishmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. In today's session, we will discuss the topic of customer relationship management. Let us start our session. What did you mean by customer relationship management? Customer relationship management is a business strategy to promote the relationship with the customers to increase sale. That means this is a marketing strategy. Here, the marketers promote the relationship with the customers and the marketers for increasing sale. It is called customer relationship management. Let us see the definition of customer relationship management. It is defined as the art of managing the organization's relationship with the customers and prospective clients. It helps a company to improve customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, and its profitability. A company has wide set of tools, technologies, and procedures to promote customer relations. ഒരു കമ്പനി അവരുടെ കസ്റ്റമർ റിലേഷൻസ് പ്രൊമോട്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് അവരെടുക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ എഫേർട്സുകളെയും നമുക്ക് കസ്റ്റമർ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയാം. സോ വി ക്യാൻ സേ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൻ ആർട്ട്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൻ ആർട്ട് ഓഫ് മാനേജിങ് ദ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻസ് റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് വിത്ത് ദ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് പ്രോസ്പെക്റ്റീവ് ക്ലയൻസ്. ഒരു ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ്റെ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിനെയും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അവരുടെ ക്ലയൻസിനെയും ആ ഒരു ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ എങ്ങനെയാണോ ഒരു റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് അവർ മാനേജ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആ ഒരു രീതിയാണ് ശരിക്കും കസ്റ്റമർ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. നമ്മളൊരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് വാങ്ങി നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിലെത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവർ പിന്നീട് വിളിച്ച് അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് അന്വേഷിക്കാറുണ്ട്. പ്രോഡക്റ്റിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള വെദർ യു സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈഡ് ഓർ നോട്ട് എന്നൊക്കെ അന്വേഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് കുറേ ഫോൺ കോൾസ് വരാറുണ്ട്. അതെല്ലാം ഈ ഒരു കസ്റ്റമർ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ പാർട്ടാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദി സ്ട്രാറ്റജീസ് ഫോർ ക്രിയേറ്റിംഗ് കസ്റ്റമർ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ്. The strategies, policies or plan of action that can be applied to create loyal customers relationship are the following. First one is the research about the customer. Second one, total customer satisfaction. Third one, monitoring satisfaction. Fourth one, visualize the future success. Fifth one, customer centric. Sixth one, value differentiation. Seventh one, growth of sale. The last one is expand the relationship. These are some of the strategies for creating customer relationship. See the first one, research about the customer. The marketer has to conduct research about the minds of the customers regarding their buying behavior and purchasing decision. And the marketer also study about his competitors in the market. And the study should give a clear idea as to what matters most to the customers and the reason for them to continue as customers of the business. First strategy is the research about the customers. Then second one, total customer satisfaction. Actually, this is a business strategy, that is total customer satisfaction. The main aim of this strategy is to ensure that the overall customer experience is good, in addition to providing a quality product or service. It includes technical support, salesman competence, then product availability and countless other interactions with the customer. Then third one, monitoring satisfaction. It refers to reviewing how well a customer's expectations for quality services are being fulfilled. It is because a highly satisfied customer generally stays longer buys more when the company introduces new and upgraded products. Then, fourth strategy is visualize the future success. The marketer should aim at helping the customers to visualize their future success. He should also discuss with them as to how to make their vision a reality. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഇൻഷുറൻസ് പോളിസി എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ഒരു ഏജൻറ്റ് വന്ന് നമ്മളെ കൺവിൻസ് ചെയ്യിക്കുന്നത് ആഫ്റ്റർ 20 ഇയേഴ്സ് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടാൻ പോകുന്ന ഇത്രയും വലിയ ബെനിഫിറ്റ് എമൗണ്ടിനെ കുറിച്ചും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആ ഒരു എമൗണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ മക്കളുടെ കാര്യത്തിന് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം, മകളാണെങ്കിൽ മകളുടെ കല്യാണത്തിന് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം, ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞായിരിക്കും നമ്മളെടുത്ത് കൺവിൻസ് ചെയ്യിക്കുന്നത്. സോ വിഷ്വലൈസ് ദ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ സക്സസ്. ദെൻ fifth strategy is customer centric. Here, when we conduct a conversation with the customer, it should be centered on the interest of the customers and not on the interest of the marketer. The marketer should understand what the customers want to accomplish and how he can help them in achieving their goals. So, it should be customer centric. Then comes to the sixth strategy, value differentiation. The marketer should convince the customer that the product or service offered will be capable of fulfilling the customer's goals and is likely to be sustainable for a very long period. That is value differentiation. Then next strategy is growth of sale. Long-term relationship is established not just by sale of a product but by developing the strongest possible relationship and opening the doors for new opportunities. Customers do not like salespeople who vanish after the sale. They expect salespeople to deliver the value they promise and to maintain a relationship after the initial sale. That is growth of sale strategy. Then comes to the last point, expand the relationship. Here, the marketer should try to realize what value that the customer has secured by acquiring the product or service. And he should also try to help the customer to attain additional success over time. It can be done by analyzing the insights or the results that has been gained through research and interaction with the customers. So, these are the main strategies for creating customer relationship. First one is research about the customer. Then second one is total customer satisfaction. Then third one, monitoring satisfaction. Then fourth one, visualize the future success. Then fifth one, customer centric. Then sixth one, value differentiation. Then seventh one, growth of sale. The last one is expand the relationship. Next, we can look at the importance or benefits of customer relationship management. First one is the better service to customers. Customer relationship management provides more opportunities to customers for communicating their needs to organization through numerous contact points. Customers get increased satisfaction and a feeling of being special and important because of the increased personalization of services and customization of goods offered to them. Next benefit is customization of market offerings. Companies, they can customize a product or service depending on the data available with them. This facilitates customer-company interaction through the company contact center and website. Such interactions help develop customized products. Then, third importance or benefits is reduction in the customer defection rate. Customer relationship management give more importance on training and developing employees to be more customer oriented, and also it helps them to give more care and concern towards the valuable customers. Therefore, the customer defection rate will be reduced to a great extent. Next point is improvement in long-term relationship. Some firms treat their customers as partners. Firms solicit the help of the customers to design new products or to improve their services. If the customer gets involved with the firm, they are more likely to remain with the firm. Then, next point, faster deals. Customer relationship management leads to quicker and more efficient responses to customer needs. Prompt response from sales personnel tempts customers to convert their inquiries into real purchases. Next benefit is higher return on investment. Due to customer relationship management, a company gains a position to generate higher returns on investment. This is because of the repeat purchases on the part of the loyal customers. So, these are the main benefits of customer relationship management. Better service to customers, then customization of market offerings, reduction in the customer defection rate, improvement in long-term relationship, faster deals, higher return on investment. So, in today's session, we learned about customer relationship management, meaning of customer relationship management, definition, and strategies for creating customer relationships, then benefits of customer relationship management. So, next class we will discuss about basic tasks to achieve the basic goals of customer relationship management and components of customer relationship management.